Well, hi everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you with the process on how to upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your application TikTok is updated to the latest version. Once you have the updated version of TikTok, open the application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Click on this plus icon at the bottom. Move into the camera section and here you'll get to see the option where you can record the video of 10 minutes. After setting the timer to 10 minutes, you can start your recording. But if you want to upload your video from a gallery, then click on the square icon. Move into videos. Select the 10-minute long video that you prefer. Here you can see one video of 10 minutes. So click on that video and then tap on next. Here it will show you the option where you can describe your video, and if you don't want to, just click on this cross icon. Now you can edit your video with all of these features available here. When you are done editing the video, click on next. It will give you the option where you can add the caption to your post. And then when you are actually ready to post the video, then click on post at the bottom. Your 10 minutes longer video will be uploaded successfully. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to upload 10-minute long video on TikTok. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.